Hey guys, it's from Breitbart. I'll leave the link below. Country singers Tim McGraw and Billy Currington headlining gun control fundraiser. On July 17th, country singers Tim McGraw and Billy Currington will headline a fundraiser for gun control group Sandy Hook Promise in Connecticut. You know, I'm sorry all that happened. I'm going to read this last paragraph to you. Gun control renders law-abiding citizens defenseless, but it does nothing to stop criminals from carrying out their treachery. Because of this, the money Mcgraw and Currington raise will ultimately succeed in making it harder for law-abiding citizens to acquire and carry the guns they need for self-defense. I agree with this right here, this paragraph. I agree with all that right there because I am pro Second Amendment. I have my guns and you're not going to take my guns because of something some criminal done. It don't matter how many laws you pass. If a criminal is going to do something, they're going to do it regardless of how many laws are out there. That has been proven time and time again. And what these two people right here, they probably know this, and it makes absolutely no sense. Their biggest fan base is gun owners. Either that, they're just blaming idiots. One of the two. I'll leave that for y'all to decide. Yeah, I wanted to add one more thing before I let y'all go. Right here, July 17th. Doesn't Jade Helm start on July 15th? Then they're going to have this 2 days after that happens. You can believe in coincidences or not, that's up to you. Y'all have a good day and God bless.